Welcome to the latest Excel networking video briefing. The Excel Explained series of videos has been designed to provide important technology updates in bite-sized sessions and are based upon frequently asked questions received by our technical team. Each one will last no more than 5 minutes or the time to drink a cup of coffee. This particular presentation relates to the Construction Products Regulation and the general level of misunderstanding and confusion surrounding the testing methods employed to classify cables. We will endeavour to explain the important topic of flaming droplets testing and the methods used. BSEN 5399 also tests for flame spread of a group of cables on the vertical ladder rack for classifications of C and above. It calls for the fall of flaming droplets or particles to be recorded, usually by video, within the full 1200 seconds or 20 minutes of the test, and analyzes the droplets or particles that reach the floor of the test chamber. For the classification, the following criteria applies. D0 is if no flaming droplets or particles occur within the 20 minutes. It must be noted though, droplets are permitted, but they must not be alight as they fall. D1 is if no flaming droplets or particles persisting longer than 10 seconds occur within the 20 minutes. D2, products for which no performance is declared or which do not comply with either D0 or D1. We trust this has clarified any misunderstanding. If you have any questions about the CPR, please send an email to cpr@excel-networking.com and we will endeavour to answer it in a timely manner. Thank you for listening.